World Earth Day. World Earth Day is celebrated annually on 22nd April to draw attention to the urgency of the climate crisis and environmental degradation and the need for immediate action. The theme for Earth Day 2021 is Restore Our Earth, which focuses on natural processes, emerging green technologies, and innovative thinking that can restore the world's ecosystems. Let's know the significance. Earth Day was celebrated since 1970. This year 2021, there is a 3-day event covering all aspects of climate action from April 20th to 22nd. Amid the pandemic, a host of environmental issues are being prioritized. UNICEF says to achieve the global goals, all children everywhere need to learn about the climate crisis and how to tackle it. How to restore our Earth. Climate change and other environmental degradations have broken our natural systems, leading to increased frequency of disasters, new and fatal diseases, as well as a breakdown of the global economy. But just as climate change and coronavirus painfully remind us of the harm we have caused, we must restore our Earth not just because we care about the natural world, but because we live on it. A healthy planet is not an option, it is a necessity. Plastic pollution. Humans produce over 300 million tons of plastic annually, and unfortunately, waste management systems are not able to handle this. More than 79% of plastic ever produced has ended up in landfills. The burning of plastic contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and respiratory health issues within the communities breathing in the fumes. A recent article, as coronavirus spreads, so does single-use plastic. Here's what that means for our environment. During this pandemic, usage of surgical masks, gloves becoming a biomedical hazard that sanitizes threatens the spread of coronavirus. To waste, as we all knew, coronavirus can live up to 3 days on plastic surface. Simple things you can do to help protect the earth. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Cut down on what you throw away. Follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources and landfill space. Volunteer. Volunteer for cleanups in your community. You can get involved in protecting your watershed too. Educate. When you further your own education, you can help others understand the importance and value of our natural resources. Conserve water. The less water you use, the less runoff and wastewater that eventually end up in the ocean. Choose sustainable food and diet. Shop wisely. Buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag. Use long-lasting light bulbs. Energy-efficient light bulbs reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Plant a tree. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. Don't send chemicals into our waterways. Choose non-toxic chemicals in the home and office. Teach the kids about Mother Earth with fun projects to help them experience Earth Day, making posters, writing projects, helping in cleanup at local parks. Activities to celebrate Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated by planting trees, picking up roadside trash, conducting various programs to motivate people to adopt ways for sustainable living. US President Joe Biden will be hosting the Management Global Climate Summit on April 22 to 23. Leaders of the 40 nations, including those demonstrating strong climate leadership, vulnerable to global warming, and the leaders of the big energy consuming nations like India, China, and Russia, and also likely to attend the meet. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. So it is our duty to preserve our earth and conserve its resources. Make every day Earth Day.